Hey guys, this is my cat Lola, and this is my brother Carson. How old are you, Carson?
5.
How old?
5.
Nice. This is Lola. Say hi, Lola. Say hi.
He's staring at you.
Donna. Donna. Dun, 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 dun.
She's looking at me.
Yeah.
She's looking at you.
She's like, leave me alone. Wow. Okay. She's like, please leave me alone. That's my cat Lola. Let's see if Roxy comes here. Roxy!
Dad!
I don't think Roxy's gonna come with that yelling.
She loves you.
Yeah, something. Okay. So here I am with Carson. Serious? Okay. This is so much smoother than my regular camera that I have. She likes water. Watch this. Watch this, guys. I'm going to turn the water on. Hang on. The wrong way. That way. Okay. All right, I'm going to turn this water on. And it's actually going. And she's going to sit here. Look at that. She doesn't even care. Look, water's on. She just doesn't care. Look at her tail.
It looks like pee.
It's not pee. It's like on her tail. Now she'll drink it.
No. I think she
Okay. I think Roxy is somewhere else. So bye, guys. Thanks for watching.